family. So we're at Bushman Rock, and I'm about to give you a tour of the honeymoon suite that we'll be living in. All right. Safari vibes, baby. Can you see I also got my safari swag on with my hat at the back? I'm killing it. Okay, let's go. Tour. So this is the entrance. Let's walk in, walk in, walk in. We got some cute roses here. And close the door. Alright, so when you enter, right, on the left, that's the mini lounge, which has a cute couch, small table. That's my cute bag matching with the room. A single chair there and a fireplace. They said that they can come switch this on for us a bit later on. Cute baby portrait, and then back behind there is a kitchenette with a fridge, nyana, a kettle, tea, coffee, small sink. It's quite big actually. Let us see what's inside. Okay, there's nothing. But then again, they're giving us dinner, breakfast, and all of that, so we won't need anything. That's just an open area. Look at how the roof looks like. You, and that is way high. Okay, and then on your right is the cute bed. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. It's a cute bed. On the side it's just, you know, a lampiana. Still we got roses on the floor. How cute is that? Roses on the floor, and they decorated the bed for us. Written love. Obviously it's baby's birthday, so this is quite cute. Very cute. The room got that antique vibe going on. So when you're by the bed, you can actually open the sliding door. This is a huge door, guys. The curtains are opened, obviously. So first thing in the morning, I'm gonna be opening it up and stepping into the nature. Check baby out already swinging on the chair. Imagine 6 a.m. morning vibes, reading my book with a glass of coffee. Nature, baba, nature. Okay, let me step down a bit. Steppy. Okay, this is what's around. There's a lake down there, and neighbors, I believe. Yeah, okay, let's go back inside to finish the tour. Bed. And then we come up here. There's a small study table right here. And then this is your girl. This is your safari girl. Safari girl. With my safari dress. How do you like me now? Oh, look at my cuff, y'all. Look at my cuff. Okay. So when you're standing here, let's go to the bathroom. There's like small shelves up there and a blanket. Open space here that leads to where I was coming from. It leads to the main entrance. See that? It's like a small passage made of nice stone. It reminds me of my grandmother's house. And then this is the bathroom. Okay, that's baby also. This is the bathroom. With two small cute sink, a mirror that's way up and I'm short, toilet, and a very cute bathtub. It's such a cute bathtub. Look at where the tap is. Tap. Okay, tap. Yo guys, I actually miss Africa and African things. You would never see this abroad. Never. I'm even hyperventilating. Okay, this is an outdoors shower. Oh, shower with the vibes. Outdoor shower. And it's quite spacious with a chair. as well. An outdoor chair. Yeah, man. Yeah. And a plant.